If you're looking to change your Whop community price, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to update an existing price amount inside your Whop product dashboard. Whether you want to raise a monthly fee, lower a subscription price, or simply correct a pricing mistake. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so your community pricing stays accurate and your customers see the right amount. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Whop tutorials and quick software guides. Let's jump into it. First, go to whop.com and log into the account that manages your community. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click Products. This section is where all of your community products and offers are stored, so this is the place you need to start whenever you want to make a pricing change. After you open Products, you'll see a list of the products connected to your account. Click on the product you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct community or offer, especially if you have more than one product live. This step matters because the price change will apply to the product you select, so take a second to confirm you're editing the right one. Once you're on the product details page, locate the current pricing offer. This is where Whop shows the active price for that community plan. Click directly into the price field, then enter the new dollar amount you want to charge. For example, if you want to move from a lower monthly price to a higher one, just replace the old number with the new one. If you're reducing the price, do the same thing and type in the updated amount. Before saving, double-check the number carefully. A small typo can change your pricing more than you intended, so always confirm the amount looks exactly right. Also, make sure you're editing the correct pricing option if your product has multiple offers, such as monthly, yearly, or one-time access. Updating the wrong offer can confuse customers, so a quick review here is always worth it. When everything looks good, click Save Changes at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on how Whop displays the button for your dashboard layout. Once you save, the new price should update on the product automatically. At that point, your community pricing is now changed and ready for customers to see. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change your Whop community price by editing an existing offer directly in your product dashboard. It only takes a few clicks, but knowing exactly where to go saves time and helps you manage your community like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Whop walkthroughs, creator tools, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.